Hey, welcome guys to the first episode of Python Introduction. So, I'm guessing you're here to learn Python, and I am glad you took the first step into learning Python. I'm still also learning intermediate, but this would also be a good experience for me teaching and also learning myself. So, this GitHub repo was made by Mr. Poole and it's a huge document. We will be going into what GitHub is in the future. So Python versus Java plus and C++. plus plus. So Python codes less line of codes, longer lines of code, longer lines of code. Okay. Python is pretty simple. The more you keep watching videos about, beginning how to code, people will be saying that Python is one of the easier languages to learn. The syn- the syntaxes are easier to remember, and the difference between Java and C++ plus plus with Python has semicolon or curly brackets. So I'm guessing these two have a close similarity of how you code with them. Speed. Slow because of interpreter, fast direct, compile to run. Okay. Can be left uncleared, declared by user. Declared by user. Not sure what that means because I don't, you know, code in here, but can be left undeclared. Okay. So in essence, Python is faster for the user to learn. It's easy. This is how you print hello world in comparison. So you see here that Python is definitely shorter. All you have to do is say print bracket quotation hello. So and this would print hello in the terminal. Now for Java, system dot out print in bracket quotes hello. This is pretty confusing already. Maybe if you keep doing it over and over again, it will get easier. Not maybe, it will. But this is definitely easier in comparison. Let's go over to C++. plus plus. Quote lesser than, quotations, hello, lesser than, end. I'm guessing this is L, semicolon. Now we can see there's a difference between these codes. First of all, these two codes have a similarity of using semicolons at the end of the code. I'm guessing that's the only thing. And oh, yes, and they do use curly brackets a lot in their code. Python doesn't really use curly brackets that much in the code. Output for Python is simple with no semicolons. So there is no semicolons. So just by doing print hello, print bracket quotation hello, you will be printing out hello in the terminal. Let's look at the main file. This is how our main file looks for each language. We didn't see much here for Python, but this is examples of how the code structure in Java and C++ plus plus would be looking. Pretty confusing for a person that codes only in Python. Python has no brackets or anything. not sure about anything. But we do use brackets, seen by right here. We do use brackets, and we do use curly brackets. So these are curly brackets. So in Python, we use curly brackets in f functions. Whenever you're doing input function, we do use curly brackets. So this is not correct, but this, I'm guessing this person was also learning at the time. You just start writing code. So I'm guessing this is the end. So the next episode, we will be going deeper into Python, Java, and comparison between Java and C++. plus plus. So thank you so much for watching. Ensure that you subscribe, like, and ensure you're able to not miss the next episode.